Hi, this is Joey from HTGD and GDK. Today I'd like to introduce our new model screen printer to you. The model name is Prostar Plus. It's nice looking and with good quality. And the maximum PCB size is 650 millimeters by 610 millimeters. The minimum PCB size is 50 millimeters by 50 millimeters. The cycle time is less than 7 seconds, excluding the transportation time and the cleaning time. The repeat accuracy is 10 mil. The printing accuracy is 25 mil. So let's have a look at more details and some configuration of this model. There are 6 standard configuration or functions. The number 1, the accurate optical positioning system. Number 2, the central cleaning system of high efficiency and high adaptability. Number 3, the printing axis servo drive. The number 4, intelligent switching system with zero pressure detection. Number 5, the vacuum suction plate and the upper press function. Number 6, 2D solder paste printing quality inspection and the accuracy analysis. And there are some options you can choose or add as your requirements, such as the automatic adding solder paste, automatic dispensing function, and some plug-in check, and the solder paste height monitor. And this machine you add 2 options. One is the automatic dispensing option, and the other is the air conditioner. And you can see the dispensing head is fixed on the CCD, and the parameters such as the dispensing size, thickness, the dispensing speed, and the dispensing time and the stop time can be set as required. The fluid quantity is stable, no leakage. It's suitable for the normal red glue and some other different kind of glue. And you can see the air conditioner is placed outside the machine, and you can realize the temperature control and the humidity monitor. Okay, that is all about our Prostar Plus. And if you have any other questions or you are looking for the SMT whole line solution supplier, you can contact us or visit our website for more information. Thank you.